I've tested lots of robot vacuums over the years, and one thing that has always bugged me is the mopping. Most of these robots are just dragging dirty water around your floor and calling it clean. In this video, I'll be partnering with Ecovacs to take a look at the Ecovacs DEEBOT T90 PRO OMNI. It actually does something different. Let's go ahead and get started. So where does this sit in the lineup? The T90 PRO OMNI is Ecovacs' mid-range flagship. It sits below the X series, but it's pulling a lot of the same technology down into a more accessible package. We're talking under $800, making this one of the most affordable ways to get a flagship level cleaning experience. First up, we'll start with the mopping because this is the headline feature. Most robot mops, especially in this price range, use dual spinning mop pads, and the issue with that is they tend to smear. They pick up a little bit of dirt and then kind of redistribute it across your floor for the rest of the session until they head back to the dock to clean the mop pads. The T90 PRO OMNI uses the OZMO Roller 3.0. Instead of small spinning pads, you've got a 27 centimeter microfiber roller, the longest in its class, but the bigger deal is how it stays clean while it works. There's a pressurized self-washing system with 32 spray nozzles that rinses the roller continuously at up to 200 RPM as it's cleaning. So it's not dragging dirty water. It's always mopping with fresh water. I poured out some soy sauce in the kitchen floor, and this is the kind of mess that usually takes a couple of passes to get it clean, and the T90 PRO handled it in one smooth run, leaving no streaks and no residue, just a clean floor. That's the difference between a roller system and a pad-based mopping system. The next thing that really stood out here is the edge cleaning. If you've ever owned a robot vacuum, then you know the drill. You run it, and then you still have to go back with a regular vacuum to hit the edges. That dust line along the baseboards usually is untouched. The T90 PRO has TruEdge 3.0, which extends the mop roller up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the body of the robot. There's an air cushion system that keeps it in zero distance contact with the wall. After a full cleaning run, you can definitely tell that the baseboards are shiny clean. Now let's talk about the vacuum side. The T90 PRO is running up to 30,000 Pascal of suction, up from 18,000 on the previous T80. Ecovacs calls this blast airflow, and the design uses straight-through airflow ducts that maintain strong, consistent pull rather than losing power to turbulence. My household has a couple of dogs, so pet hair is just a way of life. And I did scatter a mix of hair and crumbs across our carpet and hard floors, and with one pass, everything was cleaned up. When I open up the robot to check the brush, which is usually where you can find a tangled mess, the ZeroTangle 4.0 system actually guides hair directly into the suction path instead of letting it wrap around the brush, leaving the brush completely clean with no detangling needed. With a 15 millimeter roller lift and carpets first, it can vacuum carpets first while keeping the roller lifted and dry before mopping hard floors. One thing that's really frustrated me about robot vacuums for a long time is the mid-clean charging interruptions, especially in larger homes. The robot runs low, heads back to charge for several hours, and by the time it comes back, you've lost the cleaning momentum. Ecovacs solves that with PowerBoost charging. Every time the robot returns to the dock to wash its mop roller, which it does regularly anyhow, it takes advantage of that stop to fast charge. In the app, you can actually see how the robot intelligently manages charging during the cleaning process. We're talking about a 10% battery charge in just 3 minutes, helping it get back to work much faster. Thanks to PowerBoost charging, the T90 PRO OMNI can continuously clean areas as large as 300 square meters, making it a great option for larger homes. Instead of waiting through long charging breaks, it keeps the cleaning going with far fewer interruptions. The OMNI Station is doing a lot of the heavy lifting behind the scenes. It automatically empties the dustbin after cleaning, and then it washes the mop roller with water that's heated up to 75 degrees Celsius. It adjusts temperature based on the room type, and then dries everything with 63-degree hot air. The dirty water system self-flushes to prevent buildup, and Ecovacs says that the wash tray is 150-day maintenance free. I opened it up, and after a solid week of daily use, and it still looked clean. The app experience is also solid. There's even an easy mode for less tech-savvy users, which matters a lot for families. The AI agent Yiko handles voice commands. You can literally say, clean the kitchen, and it takes over from there. Okay, Yiko. Clean the living room.
Okay, I'm going. The mop moisture level looks good. I'm starting cleaning now.
Builds a full map of your home, avoids obstacles like toys and cables with AI VI 3D 4.0 navigation, TruePass adaptive four-wheel driving. So here's the bottom line. If you're looking for a robot vacuum that delivers a flagship level cleaning experience without spending flagship money, the DEEBOT T90 PRO OMNI is one of the strongest options under $800. If you want the standard T90 OMNI, which has a slightly different feature set and lower price, that link is in the description as well. So who should get the T90 Pro? If you have a larger home, pets, or you're ready to retire an older robot vacuum, then this is definitely a good option. The roller mopping system alone is worth the upgrade over anything that's pad-based. For under $800, you're getting features that were previously reserved for flagship models, from the OZMO Roller 3.0 mopping system and TruEdge 3.0 edge cleaning to PowerBoost charging. It's one of the best values that I've seen if you want flagship level cleaning performance without paying a flagship price. To pick one up, head to the link in the description. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next one.